Hey guys, this is MDP Tech, and today we're pretty much unboxing the Xiaomi Smart Stick 4K. It was given free for me from my cable company. Pretty much cable companies now went to digital and they have their own applications where you can, look at your national TV in one place. So yeah, let's dig into it. What do we have here? We have controller. Oh, okay. I see this controller. Let me put it aside. This controller has Netflix Prime Video. Both I don't use. Anyways, we have Google Assistant. Maybe someday would come that it's going to be not Google Assistant, but it would become how is that called? Like Gemini or something? Anyways. So yeah, that's that. Of course, no batteries. Oh, but I see batteries are included. So let me put the batteries in. Okay. And I think this is the Bluetooth controller, so that's also good. Bluetooth voice remote controller, awesome. And 4K, so at least that's that. Okay, nothing else in the box, as you see. Some manual. Put it to the side. HDMI, well, standard procedure, and I guess more information if you need that. We have a power brick. How powerful is the power brick? 5 volt, 1 ampere, 5 watts. Okay. Cool, simple little. Okay. We have the HDMI adapter if we need it, but we can stick straight into the HDMI and then put the power there. I think I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna pull this straight to the cool little HDMI stick. Nice. And I think I'm gonna use the other power. But anyhow, that was the unboxing of the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K. If you have any questions about this particular thing, because if I got this for free, well, it was the price of 35 or something euros, but it was included into my plan, which I pay like 4 to 5 euros a month. So I think it's kinda, I should say it's almost free. And of course those TVs which doesn't have Smart TV, it's awesome because now you have Smart TV. So thank you for watching this little unboxing. That was MDP Tech. Press like, comment if you have any questions about this stick. I will be using it. So, and subscribe to my channel. So see you in another video. Bye.